And that's not all. We also teach, if you have the desire, how to become an affiliate, where you can start the process of getting paid to simply share this with others by having them watch a video like this, attend a webinar, or one of our live events in person. By enrolling customers into our academy, I Am Mastery Academy will pay you a commission, even ongoing commissions, as those customers remain subscribed to the academy. What does this do for you? It not only creates more income, but it also gives you more money to trade with, thus meaning you can compound the money you are trading just like interest. So here's a simple breakdown. Let's say that you share I Am Mastery Academy with someone and they enroll. You receive a $25 fast start bonus. And that's not going to make you financially free, but watch what starts to happen. You share it with a second person, and now the company will give you access to the Forex Academy for free. That's right, free. That means you have even more money to trade with. Even better, share it with a third person. Upgrade to an affiliate or IBO, and now the company will pay you $150 per month as those 3 customers remain active in their Academy subscription, and you remain active as well. That's huge. So here's what naturally starts to happen. As people see the value and make money trading, they may start to share the program with others on social media. As they do so, your customer base grows. Say those 3 share it with 3 customers as well. You now have 12 customers. That means the company will pay you $600 per month on a residual basis as those 12 customers remain active with their subscription to I Am Mastery Academy. So those 12 share with a few. You now have 30 customers and are paid $1,000 on a monthly basis as those 12 customers remain active with their subscription to I Am Mastery Academy. And this is where it gets crazy. 75 customers is $2,000 per month. 225 customers is $5,000 per month. 500 customers is $10,000 per month, and so on and so forth, all the way up to over 6 figures monthly, which, by the way, we have many doing so as we speak. Here's the interesting thing. You can actually hit these ranks with even less customers depending on what they subscribe to. It's completely volume based and the most incredible platform I've seen in 21 years. So get back to the person who shared this video with you and enroll now.